Eve. Pero if given a chance to play the role of Jezebel, since ang name is Belle, willing ka ba?
Jezebel! Oo nga naman, Bel.
Grabe naman! Wow, nga, Nobel. Why not? If ever, why not po? You know, my doors are always open. Kaya nga nakatagpintuan, kung anong para sa'yo, magbukas po yung pinto niyo.
Mahilig ako mag-swimming.
Yes! Yeah, kaya ko mag-swimming.
Kaya.
Kaya ko mag-swimming.
Jezebel.
Hindi
Parang may gusto siya sabihin, pero hindi.
Hindi ko alam. Like, parang, syempre, that role is so, it's really known. So, syempre, if ever sa akin mapunta, syempre, I'll be thankful for it. And I will do my best to give justice to the role po.
Willing kang mag-topless?
Topless? Grabe! May buhok na
May
hindi naman topless yun.
May shells na yun. Si Jezebel.
May shells naman siya.
Pero yun, willing ka mag-shells.
I'll know po once it's there. CGI? AI? Hindi, why not? I mean, if it's really for me, syempre, and I feel like I'm the type of actor naman that will give my all to the role.
Ayan. And